In front of me is Motorola Moto G15, and today I would like to show you how you can operate sound recorder. Begin by opening sound recorder app and hitting allow or while using in all pop-ups. Then before recording, use this gear on the left, tap on voice quality and adjust it. Then tap on this button at the bottom to start. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To delete it right away, click on this X on the left and confirm your choice in the pop-up. And to end it and save it, tap on the check mark on the right. Then name your recording and hit save. To access it, click on those three lines when recorder is off and click on it to play it. To manage it, you need to hold it instead and operate all of those options at the top, like delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!